These are the 3 creepiest creatures on Earth. And trust me, number 1 will mess with your head. Number 3, the goblin shark. This thing looks like it escaped a horror movie. Its jaw doesn't bite like normal sharks. It explodes forward like a slingshot from its face. 1 second it's still, the next your soul's gone. Number 2, star-nosed mole. This isn't Photoshop, that's its actual face. 22 finger-like tentacles wiggle around nonstop, and it can see underwater using smell. It's like a rat made love to an alien. Subscribe and comment what you think about these animals. Number 1, tongue-eating louse. It swims inside a fish's mouth, bites off the tongue, then becomes the tongue. It just sits there moving, feeding alive. The fish eats. The parasite eats too. That's not a horror scene. It's real life. Subscribe for more creatures you wish you never saw.